Students, we were doing the topic igneous rock from the chapter rocks. Igneous rock are acidic or base depending on the amount of element of silica they contain. 65 to 85% silica is known as acid igneous rock and 40 to 60% is known as basic igneous rock. Silica is generally found in silicate minerals. Silica takes on different forms including the sand, flint, quartz. Other silicon minerals include granite, talc, diorite, mica, clay, asbestos. When you buy any kinds of article or items, you will find silica gel packet. Silicon dioxide dries out anything around them. It absorbs the moistures and keeps them dry. Sedimentary rocks. It comes from the Latin word sedere, meaning to settle or sit. Formation of sedimentary rocks. When big rocks they break down into small fragments, the fragments are transported and deposited by factors like water and wind. The loose sediment compress and harden over the years to form layers and layers of rocks. So these rocks are known as sedimentary rocks. Sedimentary rocks are secondary rocks because they are formed by the solidification of sediments of original, igneous, sedimentary and metamorphic parent rocks. Processes involved to turn the loose materials into hard rocks. We call it lithification. Three processes are involved in turning the loose materials into hard rocks: evaporation, compaction, and cementation. Evaporation. In this case, water from loose material is evaporated. In the case of rock salt, evaporate rocks form when sea water or the lake water it dries up and precipitate gypsum and halite. We separate the solid substances from the liquid. Evaporites are chemical sedimentary rocks. Compaction and cementation. The sedimentary rocks, here you can see it has been due to weathering and erosion broken down into tiny little sediments. These weathered sediments, they are the ingredient that compact. It means this material it's squeezed together. And cementation here, cementing glues that squeeze this material together to form a rock. Sedimentary rocks are classified based on how they form. Mechanically formed, organically formed, chemically formed sedimentary rocks. Mechanically formed rock or clastic sediment. Clastic sediments rocks are made up of pieces or the clast of pre-existing rocks. So pieces of rock, they are loosed by weathering. Weathering, as you can see, frost action, root wedging, temperature changes. Weathering and erosion took place. Then it is transported to some basin or depression where sediment is trapped. If the sediment it is buried deeply, it becomes compact. With times, more and more layers they are piled up and pressure down the lower layer and cemented, forming sedimentary rocks. So clastic sedimentary rocks may have particles that are ranging in size from microscopic clay to huge boulders. The smallest grain are called clay, then silt, then sand. The smallest grain they are called clay, then silt, then sand. And the grain that are larger than 2 millimeters are called pebbles. So shale is a rock which is made up of clay. Siltstone is a rock which is made up of silt or the class of silt. Then you will see sandstone is made up of sand-sized clast, and conglomerate is made up of pebble which is surrounded by a matrix of sand or mud. The rounded shape gravels are called conglomerates and the angular shape gravels are called breccia.